I'm Hannah Dugas. We're here at InfoComm 2026, and I am representing the Promethean ActivPanel 10 today. We're at the SYNNEX booth, and what's great about this product, it's an interactive display, completely customizable. It can be Android-based, Chrome-based, Windows-based, and currently SYNNEX is doing a bundle with Logitech. We have the Meetup 2 up there, and what's great about this bundle is this is pushing this product into the workspace. So this is great for meeting rooms, training rooms, conference rooms, whatever it might be. It's a great way to showcase both of these products and utilize the camera on the Logitech Meetup 2. But one thing I wanted to showcase about Promethean is the display note technology or software. And once we launch that display note, you can see how everything becomes on one screen. So all your meetings will pop up right here, and it's a great way to just have a one-click stop, whether it's a Zoom meeting, Teams meeting, whatever it might be. And I'm just gonna pull up a Teams meeting just for show. And you can kind of see how both of these products pair so well together. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Promethean3 at tdsynnex.com. Thanks so much.